thing here gonna be so crazy. This thing here gonna be so crazy, y'all. Whew. 69, boy. Look at the fat, boy. Look at the back tower. Ooh, look at the good gracious, got the booty meat on. Good God, Lord Jesus.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mars cars, man. Back with another one. SS Camaro behind it, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We going down at the shop, man. Our bills must get done, man. This not even my bill, but we still consider our bills must be done, man. SS Camaro 69, man. So man, got that thing in the booth. 69. It says, buddy. So y'all, Black lost the keys to the box. That nigga lost the keys to the box. That nigga lost the keys to the box, man. So we still trying to find the keys. He like, nephew, it might be in the black, the red one. Oh no, but I remember I was doing something. I'm like, oh boy. So we trying to find the key to the box. Y'all see the marrow in the shop. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know he got this right now. You know that thing right there. 4G. Yeah, man. Trying to get the box on up, man. The key. Man, this thing gonna be so crazy. That thing gonna be crazy, bro. Ain't even lie, my boy. Like, that green with that, not that green. That orange and that gray, bro. Well, hold on. The ones who ain't seen it yet. For the ones who ain't seen it yet. Put it back dick now. Yeah. Seats and everything gonna be, you know what I'm saying? They already done. The fit, we just waiting to fit that flow, man. Look. Yeah, that little water down there. We gotta figure that out. The carpet right there and everything. Well, you know what I'm saying? The stuff to put the stuff down, put the carpet down, all that right there. You know what I'm saying? Trying to finish it all up, but that makes everything right. But everything gotta be right. Came a long way. It got to be right. You feel me? Oh, man. Bro. Man, I know I'm paying these. I think gonna be custom. Custom. God, dirty, boy. Man. Somebody cutting up, boy. Somebody cutting up. Got that wham bam. Thank you, man. See the rest of the trail. Man, no, that's just a temporary setup right there. I'm gonna go bigger. You know. We trying to bust some windows on them, boy. You feel me? So I'm gonna go bigger. We trying to bust some windows, my boy. You did. Mad Mark car, man. Y'all stay tuned in, man. I told him, man, look, all gas, no brakes, man. We got Versace on today, man. Feel me? Yes. Wait to get my trailblazer, man. Supposed to need. Alright, man. The SS engine. Oh, the SS engine back here. Right here. They was going to Trailblazer SS, buddy. And that seat open the Blazer. That's the rear end. SS Trailblazer rear end. Oh, that's how I be changed, boy. Yeah, man. Man, come around, man. You don't cut it, man. That boy, hey, man, he got that paint on here, though. It's like my paint, but it ain't my paint. You feel me? He got flakes and everything in it. Origin, boy. Feel me? But that boy ski with that thing up, though. Hey, I gotta learn how to paint, bro. If you I gotta learn how to paint. I learn how to paint and do all that body work over with, so I swear I learn how to paint and do all that body work over with, bro. For real. I learn how to paint, do all that body work over with because I sit there and do the work. A lot of people won't do the work. I sit there and do the work. I take my time and really do the work. So I be changing my paint 2-3 times a year, bro. I swear. I swear, bro. I gotta learn how to do all that body work, man. Paint, body work. You know what I'm saying? I've been learning as I go though. Yeah, man. Like y'all know the last video, this the radiator out of my truck. It was broke. See, go ahead, one of these. Gone. They could have found out I hit a goat. I didn't hit a dog, I hit a goat, y'all. That was crazy. That was so crazy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That was my old radiator. Then you know, I got that new one in there, my boy. Man, it gonna be so crazy. This thing gonna be so crazy, y'all. Whew. 69, boy. Look at the fat, boy. Look at the back tower. Ooh, I can't wait to get me one. I told you I want me one. I gotta get me one. It's it. Stop playing flat cap rally. Man, that rally back tire, man, that thing so deep back there, big back there, my boy. That bitch got hips on the boy. Oh, man, real clean thing, man. Real clean thing. Ooh. Ooh. Thing let you know, man, that thing, man. Yeah, it's in Puerto Rico. Damn. Where they come from, man? They come out with Puerto Rico? Dang. They come from Puerto Rico. That's crazy. It's clean all around, man. They don't know. Hey, look at them around. And them things. Huge. He said, but look at the movie back there, boy. Rico edition, man. Hey, man, this is Puerto Rico edition Camaro. The thing for Rico. Man, look, man. I got 2 million, man. Everything getting done, boy.